my program IVP start means if I want to export, for example, here I'm in a search window, okay? Search window, I can export it as a 3D XML in this case. You get the difference. In authoring window, I didn't have the same right as in search window. From now, I want to share this information, this data with my customer and whoever. So I can select as a choice between two types of different of 3D XML with authoring and overview. To keep it with authoring, I can export the whole structure. Okay. Or with all representation, or with only 3D representation, or only without the representation in only with the tree. With the tree without 3D. Okay. And I select the path, I put the name, and I click on OK. That's it for the export. So I started to navigate on the database. So we are able to import to export, but we are still not able to navigate on the database. So let's have a look at that. You have what we call bar search and advanced search. Okay. What is that? So I will close it. And I was mentioning bar search. So this is this window or this bar where it is at, where I can type. It's a kind of fast search, very quick one. You type the type of document you want to search for. Product is it's for product. 3D part is for CAD part in this file language. Then I can search for configuration file and so on. I type my string, IVP, I press the enter button, or here I'm on S, and I got the result of the search. Therefore, I got the list of files which are on the database, which name contains IVP in the middle or in the end of the word. You remember? Maybe here, when I imported my files in advanced mode, I put the suffix IVP in here. This is the proof. This is the evidence. If I imagine we have a very huge database, and it becomes very, you become a very long list. You can tune your search criteria. So search criteria are here, and you have three different types of search criteria. Easy one, extended, and expert. Easy one is quite simple. Say first, you have to select the environment in which you want to search your data. Here we are working on Innovia database. So we keep this environment. What is important for you as a designer, you will need to select the type of object you want to search for. In this case, I wanted to search physical products. It means I was searching for assembly and 3D part. You remember? If I'm searching for the equivalent of part in V5, I would need to select physical representation. Okay? First, you can see we can search for favorites, for simulation, for document. It means in this case I'm not searching for CAD data, but for Excel, PDF, or whatever. Okay. I will take clinical representation. I can set the file extension. I can type the name, the version. Okay. forgot maybe to mention before, you have two different options for each type of search. If you select easy, extended, or expert, you can select the option case sensitive. It means that the CATIA will differentiate capital letters. Okay? A native version is for searching native version. So you select the attribute, and you want to have the version common of the name, like, for example, in this case, IDP. Like means containing IDP. I want to edit, and on top of this, I want to add the date of last modification is equal to today. I want to add, in fact, and the name, and the possible software. Well, I have too much object found. Well, sorry, I was in the expert button. The difference between extend and the expert is, of course, you are setting the attributes you want to search for. If you want to search according to the name, to the version, identifier, and so on, the type of operator, of course, this list will be limited to the attributes. The difference between extend and expert is when in extended, I can combine only two conditions, and or. If it's and, means all conditions I put in the list have to be satisfied. If it's or, only one of those conditions has to be satisfied. In expert, I have the possibility to set it, so to combine it. Okay, that's it. That's for the search. This time, so once again, I can access this advanced search criteria once I set some search result in the search bar. Here, my criteria are displayed here. I can visualize them. So you can see them. But you can also, you don't need to use fast search if you are not sure to find for this, but you can go to Build and Access, Advanced Search, and you will access to the same window where you can set your search criteria. Okay, so this was regarding the search. So I will repeat what is important for you. It's the object, which type of object you are searching for. If you are searching for Word documents which are linked to the project, like Word documents and so on, or physical representation, it means you are searching for, well, it's not fine to say, but it's something like CAD product in this file, okay? But not only, there was also 3D part in this thing, or just CAD part, extensions, if necessary. What is important, you have this case-sensitive analysis version. Case-sensitive means option, and case-sensitive option for means that you take into account capital letters and the minor letters. If I'm okay. So again, I will have a look here. Once your results are displayed, you can select the type of visualization of the result. You want to get the list of the thumbnail and so on. You can choose your search criteria on the bottom right side of your window, and you will see the visualization. Okay. So, I I come back to my V6. I search for some products. I was talking about the visualization, so I can display the details, or I can display the turntable, I can display thumbnail, combination of solid files, so it's kind of thumbnail for the full display. You can obtain. I will explain later why you could not see the visualization. We'll come back. Once you have found your data, now, for example, you select the file which is interesting for you and you want to explore it. How to do it? In this case, you need to you select the file from the list, you click on the right button of your mouse, so you select the contextual menu, and you can go explore. You can explore that. It means you can go in deeper in assembly. Okay? But you can as well get the information to visualize the property of the selected document. Okay, so the property window will appear. And what we will find there? First, of course, you can change the name of the file. This is okay. But you can see on top of it this type of the object. This is something totally different from the file. Identifier. So this is very important for the search mechanism. Okay, for when you are using mapping tables, it's exactly what CATIA will compare. Creation date, the original file name, last modification, the PLM, what we call this PLM last modification maturity are responsible. We call them PLM information. Okay? It was the project leader who created this file. It started with input. The project is different. The name of the project is different. You can see the version of the file. Okay? You can make the preview. Now you can see only the universal symbol used in V6 for the assembly. Remember, this symbol will appear in the tree. But you will see later why it's appearing, why we cannot make the visualization. Okay, so I explore it. I have already done it, but it's over. And let's continue with. When I explore it, I can use the turntable. So I can check this option, go to turntable, and by double clicking, I will explore my assembly. It's a very small one. You can see I can navigate on my files. Okay. I can expand the assembly more and more. Here it's very small assembly, and we can see on the screw with it now.
Już pobierałeś te filmy, czy nie?
Nie.
To pierwszy.
PowerPoint?
Masz tam jakiś ten, no
Just
cel.
summarize.
Nie wiem,
When
czy
you
to ma
got
swoją
your
szpilkę, czy co,
result
czy
in
dobra.
your result or search window is the one where you are searching for data. You can use for the visualization of your data 4 different modes: turntable, thumbnail, tiles, data. That's it. Well, this is one thing. Then how to explore data? It's very important thing
Kurwa, tak to tłumaczy.
is that we have four
Tak też raz.
tools which we use for exploring the data. The one is turntable. We have seen that. The second one is the compass. You will see it. Yes, you see something here. The robot is what we call compass. And of course, navigation tools from the contextual menu. So, I will continue with the compass, which is very new, which is with this compass, particular information you will need on the project. It's split into 4 quadrants. We call it north, west, south, east quadrant. This is important to remember because during the training I will also mention the north quadrant, west quadrant, and so on. The north quadrant, which is called people, you will find information about who worked on the project, who logged the object, and so on. The west quadrant, you will find information about shape and representation. So it means information like team maturity, information like whether the file was police. Then you have the south quadrant, which includes or gives you the information about the structure. Means you can highlight information related to the version. And the east quadrant is the richer one, which is links and knowledge, where you can find the information about the update status, about link of the assembly, about site information, about anything. I will go to CATIA. Here I have my assembly, and I want to navigate on PLM information on this small assembly. Here I have my famous quadrant. So I will start with the north quadrant. So about the people. You can see, well, here is transparent, which information you can get. First is about people. If it's locked by me or by someone else, or if this assembly is not locked at all. Here this assembly is not locked. Do not search now what is hidden behind. Okay? You can find information like site information, where this part was built. There should be green things that was built by me. West quadrant, on which one you can see the status of the modification, key project identification. It means you can see the information like if it's the current project or if it's something else.
Jest to bardzo możliwe.
Very important to you, for you is contact information of what will be displayed on our IT when you click on different quadrant is predefined and fixed in V6 PLM version. You cannot add other information. We are indeed here we are in silver layer window. So this window where I'm currently is called silver layer. Okay. And in the end I will click on each quadrant, team maturity, what is important, where we see the team maturity status, which will be So again, here is a very easy way to navigate on your data to see what we call PLM information. Okay? If you press on F5 button, you can have an interactive let's say annotation on different parts, and this information which will be displayed by pressing on this F5 button can be customized. This can be customized. I will come back to the naming of different windows because I will use this name during the training. So here actually I'm in silver layer window. Here I call it search window. Okay, thumbnail, but it's the search window.
Dobrze, ja w takim razie jeszcze raz spróbuję to wrócić do siebie na stronę, bo u nas mówię, zawsze to będzie działało, znaczy ja to nazywam w skrócie jak chcę, ale to de facto nie będzie
You are all the time, you are in CATIA, but here we call it
wystarczy, że port 21 jest zapracowany i jest przy zaskakaniu. Tego takim czystym efektem, nie da się połączyć. Dobrze, dobrze, w takim razie jeszcze raz będę próbował.
We can call it blue layout, but if you change the color to red, then it will make the man. It depends. If you have too much in the heat, you can switch to red color. Let's call it red layout. Okay.
Nie ma problemu.
This was another compass. Here is the robot.
To ma 300 metrów.
If I turn it, and as well I mentioned the contextual menu.
Może będzie to, a jeżeli nie, no to ja po prostu jest jeszcze taka
Also another way
ja po prostu
navigate on your data.
Pozdrawiam na
You can do many things. So one is explore, which is already done. Open.
Ja pan to, jeżeli dzisiaj
load your data to your outgoing window, so you will finally, for you, for if I
znaczy, no, jak się nie uda, to będę wiedział, to po prostu wyślę. Dobrze?
And others, but you will have it later. So, I continue. Information.
Mam nadzieję, że ci nie przeszkodziłem teraz.
The question now is for you. If I look through the agenda and see what we have, I propose you to make the lunch break till 1:30, because we have finished the morning session. We are half an hour late for no reason, and we will start at 1:30. So we finish this first morning session. Is it okay for you, or you want to start at 2, as we are a bit late? No, for 1 hour. It's okay. It should be okay for me. Yes, I hope you are not the only one who follows the train. Yeah, the others are quite quiet. Yeah, but I'm glad. I'm happy. But I have the feeling that you are the only one who is reacting. Oh, yeah, that's also for me, it's okay. Okay, so talk to you in more than 1 hour and a half, so at 1:30. Okay? So according to the agenda we have. According to the agenda, how you guys on the screen, okay? And I hope you did not will be able to open the meeting.
Półtorej godziny przerwy masz.
Thank you. Leaving conference. Leaving conference. Leaving conference. Leaving conference.